Your Jira Advanced Search capabilities are instantly upgraded with JQL's search extensions. To use the additional keywords, navigate to the Issue screen. You may need to switch to JQL to open Advanced Search. In the JQL Editor, enter your JQL query. You can use native JQL or any of the additional keywords from JQL search extension. Here, we're searching for attachment content. Autocomplete helps you form the query. This search allows you to find issues with attachments containing the exact term, specification. You can also use the keywords in Extended Search, along with all of our functions. To learn more about the available keywords and functions, explore the cheat sheet in the app, or take a look at our reference documentation.